Good afternoon, student. Welcome in our today's class. Today we are taking the topic torque experienced by electric dipole. We know that what is the torque. In mechanics, we already known about the torque. Torque is a force which is experienced by any body. The force and where the line of action or the where is the force is applied, that force and perpendicular distance gives us their product as a torque. In the same manner, if we are placed a torque in a uniform electric field, we know that this is the dipole. In earlier class we know that what is the dipole is the two charges placed at very short distance. Okay, equal and opposite charges are placed at a very short distance. They are placed in the uniform electric field. We know that this electric field is E. Here this dipole is placed. Now this dipole experience a force due to this electric field, external electric field. That force is given by F equals to Q into E. So here the positive charge is placed at point A and at point C the negative charge is placed. So due to this dipole, they experience the force, that is vertically upward and vertically upward and downward, that are the F equals to QE, that is equal and opposite in direction. They wants to bring this dipole align the electric field, so that torque is defined as the product of force and perpendicular distance. So tau equals to force into perpendicular distance. The force is F and the perpendicular distance between these two is BC. And BC, by the completing this right angle triangle, we find out the BC. BC is here, that is the perpendicular, and this known value is hypotenuse, that is 2L. It gives us sine theta. So BC equals to how much? 2L sine theta. Now we substitute the value of BC from here to here. F is equals to QE. BC is 2L sine theta. We take Q and 2L together. We get another quantity, that is electric dipole moment, P equals to 2QL. So we substitute in place of 2QL P and E sine theta. This is the torque in scalar form. Now the torque in vector form, we know that by the definition of vector product, P cross E is equals to PE sine theta and unit vector. If we are finding the unit vector, magnitude of unit vector, that is 1. So the vector form of this torque is given by tau equals to vector P cross vector E. So here some cases we have. If theta is 0, means the angle between the electric field and dipole, means we say that the dipole is aligned in the direction of electric field. So the torque experienced by the dipole is 0. Why? Because the angle theta is 0 and sine theta is 0. As well as if the dipole placed perpendicular to the electric field, then the dipole or the torque experienced by to the dipole is PE sine theta. Sine 90 is 1. So that is tau equals to PE. Another condition is here, if theta is 180 degree, then tau equals to, and sin theta is equals to sin 180 is minus 1. So we get tau equals to minus PE, which is minimum, and where maximum when it is placed at 90 degree. So in these cases we remember the thing where torque, maximum torque experienced by the dipole.